Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to create your first page in Notion. Creating your first page is an exciting step towards organizing your thoughts and ideas. Here's how you can get started. To begin, imagine each page in Notion as a fresh canvas waiting for your creativity. Here's how you add your first page. You have a couple of options. At the left of your sidebar, simply click on the plus new page button. Or if you're a fan of shortcuts, try using Command or Control plus N to instantly create a new page. Once you have done that, a new page will appear, offering you the option to explore templates or choose a type of page you'd like to create. Give your page a meaningful title, then hit enter, and then, lo and behold, you now have a fresh, blank canvas to work with. Start expressing your thoughts by typing away. You will notice that unnecessary distractions fade away, leaving you alone with your words. Want to add style? Highlight any text to reveal a menu of tools. Here, you can add hyperlinks, comments, or format your text in bold, italics, underlines, and more. Now, let's talk about a Notion superpower, the slash command. Just type / and a menu of block types will appear, offering endless content possibilities. Experiment with different block types. For instance, / h1 creates a large heading, while /tdodo gives you a handy checkbox. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.